Prepare the cabbage by cutting in half, removing the core, then shredding the leaves finely. Place the toughened non-stick casserole on the hob. You can cook on induction, gas or electric, and add all the ingredients for the braising liquor and stir well to combine. Remember, you can safely use metal utensils on this pan's tough, reinforced non-stick coating. Bring the pan to a simmer, lower the heat, put on the lid and cook until the cabbage is tender and the liquor has reduced. You only need to stir occasionally as the pan spreads and retains the heat, cooking gently and evenly without hot spots. Simply season and serve.